What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you the steps needed to update your Dawn theme on Shopify. So here, as you can see, I'm on my Shopify store. Now you want to click on online store here and then click on themes, which is the page selected by default once you click on online store. And as you can see here, I have the Dawn theme by default. Now if you don't have the Dawn theme and if you have installed another theme, you can go ahead in the popular free themes and you should see the Dawn theme as one of the top ones. If you don't, you can go ahead and search for it, or here visit the theme store and install the Dawn theme. However, it should be added or it should be active by default. Now here, since I've just recently created this account, the Dawn theme is up to date. Now if you don't, or if you have created your account a long time ago and your theme needs update, you should see here next to customize, you should see a button here that says update theme. You should click on it to update the Dawn theme. Now if you have another theme like the spotlight, for example, let's add the spotlight, and now that it's added, you can click on publish to make it the current theme or customize it right here. So the same is for Dawn. If you click on these three dots right here, you can see the options, and if it's out of date here, you need updated, you should see an update option in this section right here. And once you've updated, you can click on customize to go to the theme editor on Shopify to further edit the look and feel of your Dawn theme.